What is oxidation number? Oxidation number is referred to as residual charge which an atom has or appears to have in a molecule when all the other atoms are removed as ions from the molecule. Oxidation number is also known as pseudo charge. Here are some rules for determination of oxidation number of an atom in a molecule. The first rule is a substance in its elementary state has oxidation number equals to 0. For example, H2, N2, zinc, potassium, etc. The second rule is the oxidation number of monoatomic ion is charge on its ion. Here, oxidation number of chlorine is Cl minus and its oxidation number is -1. Here, oxidation number of aluminium is aluminium plus 3. Likewise, of sulfur is -2 and nitrogen is -3. The third rule is that oxidation number of hydrogen in a compound is +1 except that of an hydride. In the oxidation number of of hydrogen in metal hydrides, for example NaH and CaH2, is -1. The fourth rule is that the oxidation number of oxygen in a compound is -2 except that of OF2, O2F2 and that of peroxides. In peroxides, the oxidation number of oxygen is -1. Some basic rules to find oxidation number are that the oxidation number of a metal is always positive, that of a non-metal is always negative. For example, oxidation number of sodium in NaF is +1 and that of fluorine is -. For compounds formed by combination of nonmetals, more electronegative atom has minus and less has positive charge. The oxidation number of fluorine in HF is -1 and oxidation number of H in HF is +1. The oxidation number of alkali metals, that is of the first group, is +1 and alkali earth metals is +2. Now let us do some examples of oxidation number. Here they are asked to find the oxidation number of chromium in K2Cr2O7. K2Cr2O7. K's oxidation number is 1. So 1 into 2 plus Cr we have to find out, and oxidation number of O is oxidation number of oxygen is -2, so 7 into -2. So it will become X equals to 14 minus 2 by 2, which is 6. The next question is to find oxidation number of chromium in Cr2O7 2-. So it will be C. Chromium's 2x plus 7 into oxygen's oxidation number is -2, and they gave the end product which should be -2. So X will be -2 plus 14 by 2. So it will be 6.